Many of you still don't know how to remove green screen on Davinci Resolve. So let's dive into Davinci Resolve to show you how it's done. So this is the footage that I have. The very first thing that you need to do is if you shot it in a log profile, you have to color grade it, make it more vibrant so it will be easier to get rid of the green screen. Because if it's in this format, the software finds it difficult to actually find the green in this. Now what you can do is once you have the clip and the green screen, just right click on this new fusion clip, then come to fusion. Let me change it to single window, and while the median is selected, press shift spacebar and search for ultra keyer, this one. Just press add. Now normally what we do is we just bring this pen tool and drag it here like this, and we think everything is done, but you don't know if it's a good key that you have done. To know if you have a clean key, click right here. So you get a black and white, and as you can see, it's not a good key because I can see a hell lot of noise here and there. So this is where you have to adjust. You come to matte and you see this threshold slider. It has a low and a high. You need to adjust in such a way that the green comes completely black, and make sure the object is completely white. Now you have a clean key. Now once I come back to the edit page, you can see that you have a clean key right here. Now you can add in anything in the background. For example, I can just add in maybe a gradient under generators. Play with your choice. You can do whatever you want, but I'm gonna show you just like an example what all you can do here. So you have keyed out the green screen and you have completely altogether replaced the background. So you can do all sort of things. If I want, I can just bring in a fog layer right here. So let me just show you a clip of what I did by getting rid of the green screen. It's very useful and easy tutorial, so I hope you found this video helpful. Now some of you guys have been asking me how I color grade my videos. I've already done a video on my channel, but if you want to get a similar look like mine, I've created a LUT pack which I will leave in the description, so feel free to check it out. Once you buy it, you have 3 folders. One contains the LUT, second contains the pack image, and the third contains the readme instruction. Just go through it. It contains even a link to my tutorial video on how to use the LUT. So for those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel tech and filmmaking on this channel, so if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.